Current Affairs, the 20th of April 2020. Finance Minister attends Development Committee meeting of World Bank IMF. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman attended the Development Committee meeting of the World Bank International Monetary Fund (IMF) through video conference. During the meeting, Sitharaman shared the measures taken to combat COVID-19, including social support measures for poor and vulnerable, and relief measures for firms in statutory and regulatory compliance matters. Union Minister Prahlad Singh Patel launches National List of Intangible Cultural Heritage of India. The Union Tourism and Culture Minister Prahlad Singh Patel launched the List of Intangible Cultural Heritage (ICH) of India in New Delhi. Minister said that India houses a repository of unique intangible cultural heritage (ICH) traditions, 13 of which have also been recognized by UNESCO as intangible cultural heritage of humanity. Uttar Pradesh becomes first state to geotag community kitchens. Uttar Pradesh has become the first state in the country to geotag its 7,368 community kitchens and community shelters across 75 districts, which produce 12 lakh food packets a day. The state government has also tied up with Google to geomap the locations of all these establishments on the Google Maps app for ease of beneficiaries. Rajasthan first in country to start rapid testing for COVID-19. Rajasthan became the first state in the country to carry out rapid testing for COVID-19. The health department started rapid tests at 5 p.m. and 52 persons were tested for COVID-19 at the Urban Primary Health Center of Topkana Desh. The results, which were available instantly, showed that all 52 persons tested negative, said Rohit Kumar Singh, Additional Chief Secretary, Health. This test will be done at a large scale to assess the prevalence of COVID-19 in hotspots, both in the containment and buffer zones around clusters. S&P cuts India's FY21 growth forecast to 1.8%. S&P Global Ratings slashed India growth forecast for the current fiscal to 1.8%, from 3.5% estimated earlier, on account of the lockdown to contain COVID-19 pandemic. The US-based rating agency expects growth to significantly recover to 7.5% in 2021-22 fiscal. Microsoft adds 5 Indian languages to Microsoft Translator. Microsoft India has announced that its Microsoft Translator will now offer real-time translation in 5 additional languages: Gujarati, Marathi, Kannada, Malayalam and Punjabi. After these 5 included, the total number of Indian languages supported on the Microsoft Translator goes up to 10. The 5 languages that existed earlier: Bengali, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, and Urdu. With this, the service will now allow over 90% of Indians to access information and work in their native, preferred languages. New pit viper from Arunachal named after Salazar Slytherin from Harry Potter. A team of researchers has discovered a pit viper species of venomous snake in Arunachal Pradesh and named it Trimeresurus Salazar. It was discovered in the thick evergreen forests of the Pak Tiger Reserve in Arunachal Pradesh during a field expedition by researchers. Tata AIA becomes first life insurance company to give additional benefits related to COVID-19. Tata AIA Life Insurance announced additional benefits for its policyholders and agents. As part of Tata AIA Life's initiative, its individual policyholders will get COVID-19 related additional benefit up to 5 lakh rupees at no additional cost. Further, to extend the circle of protection to its own agents, all active agents of Tata AIA Life Insurance along with their spouse and children will be reimbursed up to 25,000 rupees in case of hospitalization due to COVID-19. IIM Kozhikode team develops one-stop COVID-19 platform for accessing emergency services. An international team led by Indian Institute of Management, IIM, Kozhikode student has developed a one-stop COVID-19 platform for accessing emergency services from official government sources. The website, covidfi.in, is a one-stop digital directory for all COVID-19 related services and help. The website aims to bring the right information to the right people, as only official information from government organizations is put on this platform to ensure authenticity and credibility. IIT Ropar develops WardBot to deliver food, medicine to COVID-19 patients. A team of researchers at the Indian Institute of Technology, IIT, Ropar has developed an autonomous WardBot to deliver medicines and food to COVID-19 patients living in isolation wards, without any human intervention. This WardBot can help in reducing the risk of the frontline health staff getting infected with the deadly virus. Based on the smart line following, WardBot, fitted with sensors, can work on a known path and can carry food items and medicines for delivery at different beds to patients in isolation wards. UN Chinese Language Day, April 20. UN Chinese Language Day is observed annually on April 20. The event was established by the UN Department of Public Information in 2010, to celebrate multilingualism and cultural diversity as well as to promote equal use of all 6 of its official working languages throughout the organization. April 20 was chosen as the date to pay tribute to Kang Ji, who is presumed to have invented Chinese characters about 5,000 years ago. Oscar-winning Tom and Jerry director Gene Deitch dies aged 95. Oscar-winning Tom and Jerry director Gene Deitch died at the age of 95. Deitch was best known for creating cartoons such as Monroe, Tom Terrific, Nudnik, as well as Popeye. He worked as a creative director at Terrytoons, under 20th Century Fox, where he drew and created characters like Sidney the Elephant, Gaston Le Crayon, Clint Clobber and Terrible Thompson. BCCI creates Team Mask Force to promote wearing of masks and fight COVID-19. The Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI, has created a video titled Mask Force. The video featuring India's most revered cricketers including Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, Sourav Ganguly, Rahul Dravid urges fellow countrymen to join the Team Mask Force and help the nation fight against the novel COVID-19.